Have you ever heard of a place where the dead are left to rot? On purpose? It sounds like something straight out of a horror movie. Bodies lying in fields, decomposing in the open air, surrounded by fences and cameras. But this is no movie, this is real science. Welcome to the disturbing yet fascinating world of body farms. Body farms, officially known as forensic anthropology research facilities, are places where donated human corpses are studied as they decompose. Why? To help scientists, forensic experts, and law enforcement better understand how the human body breaks down under different conditions. From murder investigations to mass disaster analysis, what happens at body farms has changed the way we solve crimes. It's a field where science and death intersect, uncomfortably close. So, how do they work? At a body farm, human remains are placed in various settings, buried in shallow graves, left out in the sun, submerged in water, or hidden in the woods. Researchers monitor everything: temperature, insects, rate of decay, and even how animals interact with the remains. Every gruesome detail is recorded. This helps forensic scientists build accurate timelines, determining not just how someone died, but when. This can be critical in criminal investigations, helping to either confirm or dismantle alibis. The first body farm was founded by Dr. William Bass in 1981 at the University of Tennessee. It began with a single body in a secluded field. Today, it's one of the most advanced forensic research centers in the world. Since then, several more have opened in the United States, including in Texas, North Carolina, Colorado, and Illinois. Other countries like Australia and Canada are also developing their own versions. Despite the unsettling imagery, these facilities have helped solve countless real-life crimes. And the science behind them? It's groundbreaking. For example, research at body farms has helped establish more accurate ways to determine postmortem interval, the time between death and discovery. Ever wondered how investigators can determine time of death with such precision? Or how they know if a body was moved after death? Body farms are the answer. The knowledge gained here is used in courtrooms, search and rescue operations, and disaster zones. It even aids in identifying unmarked graves or victims of war crimes. But they're not without controversy. Some argue that leaving bodies to rot in the open is disrespectful, even unethical. Others say it's a necessary sacrifice in the name of justice and science. After all, how else can we study the reality of human decomposition without, well, studying it? And here's the thing, these aren't unclaimed bodies or medical waste. These are people who chose this. The individuals who donate their bodies to these farms do so knowing they'll never have a traditional burial. They choose to become a part of something bigger, to help future investigations and ensure the truth can be uncovered, even in death. Body farms also play a major role in training cadaver dogs, those incredible animals that can find human remains hidden underground or even underwater. Without real human scent, these dogs can't train effectively. The same goes for developing new forensic technologies like ground-penetrating radar or chemical sensors that can detect the gases released by a decaying body. What's even more chilling? Some facilities use pig carcasses as human stand-ins, but nothing beats real data from human remains. That's where the most accurate, groundbreaking research happens. And every bit of that knowledge has real-world applications. One fascinating area of research involves the role of insects, yes, bugs, in decomposition. By studying the life cycles of flies, beetles, and other creatures that feed on corpses, forensic entomologists can often estimate how long someone has been dead. Believe it or not, a maggot can sometimes be a key witness in a murder trial. Temperature, humidity, soil composition, and even clothing can all change how a body decomposes. Body farms allow scientists to isolate each of these variables and build models that can be applied globally. Let's not forget the importance of this research in natural disasters or mass casualty events. When earthquakes, tsunamis, or terrorist attacks occur, forensic scientists must work quickly and accurately to identify the dead. The protocols and methods developed at body farms are vital in making that happen. Even archaeologists benefit from body farm research. Understanding modern decomposition helps them interpret ancient burial sites and human remains. It's a connection between the past and present that many people don't realize. So the next time you hear about a cold case being solved after decades, or a body being found deep in the woods and quickly identified, you'll know that somewhere, in a quiet field surrounded by cameras and researchers, someone made that discovery possible. Grim? Yes. Fascinating? Absolutely. Would you ever consider donating your body to science? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more eerie, real-life mysteries and science that sounds too wild to be true, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our next video, because the truth is often stranger than fiction.